Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu salukwasendodela lesogogo bathini bathi umavula kuvala emzini amadoda. U-anti usha. Yashisa, I'm not glowing, it's hot. Ukuthwala ngemfuyo, sithwalo semfuyo. Livestock wealth. Gogo, really, is there something like that? Like Gogo, Gogo, you are making up things and everything. I had the same mentality Nami before I knew about it, but I don't just criticize guys, I do a research. That's why I'm here for. I research, I find out ukuthi, is it real? Serious. Yes, I've done my research and everything, and I'm proud to announce ukuthi Ghana has completed my research, my mixture regarding that. So I am coming with it. That one is gonna be ready within a month. That one definitely is guaranteed is gonna be ready. So don't worry, relax. I'm going to explain it. There's a video that I'm going to do unpacking ukuthi what is it. You know, yes, I was born and raised in the township, Orlando East, Kasilamakasi, number 6296 Lingane Street. It's a corner house, Lingane Street and Morailane Street. I was raised there. I was born and raised in that township, Baragwanath Hospital, by the way. However, I've spent my matured years in the rural, eMahlabathini, eNgqunyaneni, KwaZulu, KwaMyeza. Those who knows Orlando East, they will know Babu Myeza wayenesiphaza eMurayilane Street, next to kaMama Ntswaki. Ngeke ngibize ngegama phela mina umama mngani wami lo. Next to Kabo Thabang, Kabo Malumsabi. That Myeza is the one owangidodisa ngempilo yasemakhaya. And then I'll hear people in general talking about, hey, ubani ufuye uthwele ngemfuyo ini. Not him per se, but just hearing people in the rural, in the taxi, in the bus. And then I stayed in Empangeni through Abakwambokazi, and I've heard about that as well. So